I'm Shannon from Wrexham Volkswagen and I'm going to be showing you around one of our approved used vehicles.
Here we have a 71 plate Touareg Black Edition, which is a 3.0 TDI DSG 4Motion 286 PS. This luxury model comes finished in a deep black pale paint and covering 78,825 miles. Some great features include the area view camera to assist with tight manoeuvres. The side profile has been complemented by the 21-inch Suzuka alloys. We also have a fantastic panoramic sunroof featuring an electric sunblind. And then we also have a tow bar as an optional extra. You will also benefit from an electric tailgate which we can access via the key fob, offering an impressive amount of boot space to easily cater for day-to-day needs. The interior is finished off in the Vienna leather upholstery in sole and crystal grey with ISOFIX points fitted, as well as access to USB points and climate controls in the back. In the front we are firstly greeted with the multifunctional steering wheel featuring the touch control. This is followed by the 14-way electric front ergoComfort seats as an optional extra. The steering wheel will allow you to access the car's media system at the touch of your fingertips. This includes the adaptive cruise control, which is a perfect addition for motorway driving. The steering wheel is also heated. And then here we have a fully customisable digital cockpit showcasing important driver information and settings. This car also features air suspension. This runs through to a large screen in the centre, which allows you more in-depth access to some of the car's features, including DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as app connection to seamlessly display phone apps through Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. You also have the assistance from satellite navigation. This will support you in planning your routes. And then we also have the driver mode selection, offering you preset options to choose the car's performance. When popping the vehicle into reverse, your area view camera will appear on the screen. This will give you that assistance when parking up. You also have front and rear parking sensors. We also have the Dynaudio as an optional extra. Just below we have wireless phone charging available. And then we also have the automatic transmission, some handy cup holders, keyless start, as well as electronic park brake with auto hold.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. For more information, please give us a call on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.